Hello dear students, I welcome you all in this online video. I am your physics mentor Chetan Patil from Microvision Academy, Burhanpur. Today we are going to some topics from electricity, and these topics are Ohm's law, resistance and resistivity. What do you mean by Ohm's law? Ohm's law gives the relation between the three parameters of important parameters of the electricity, or it is the relation between the two physical quantities, electric current and the potential difference. It states that Ohm's law states that if the physical state of the conductor remains constant, then potential difference across the conductor is directly proportional to the current passing through it. I repeat the statement. If the physical state of the conductor remains constant, then potential difference is directly proportional to the current passing through it. This statement can be stated also as the current passing through the conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across the conductor if the physical state of the conductor remains constant. The both statements are saying it signifies that if you are going to increase the potential difference, the current will also increase. If you increase the current, potential difference will also increase. Here, using this relation, we are going to substitute proportionality sign with the proportionality constant, and that constant is R. Here R is called as a resistance. So we can denote R as V by I also. Here R is called as a resistance. Resistance is ratio of potential difference to the current. Potential difference is measured in volt, current is measured in ampere, so resistance will be volt per ampere, or in other words, its unit is given by one symbol like this, which is called as a ohm. So SI unit of resistance is ohm. So 1 ohm is generally equal to 1 volt upon 1 ampere. There is another parameter, resistivity. Now what is meant by resistivity? Resistivity is the property by virtue of which it opposes the flow of charges. It provides the obstacle or hindrance to the charges. It opposes the current, electric current. The property by which it opposes the current is called as a resistivity. So this is the general feature. Resistivity is denoted by rho, and here there are some parameters on which this resistance and resistivity depends. Resistivity, the factors which affect the resistance are length of the conductor, area of cross section, temperature and nature of material. As already stated in Ohm's law, if the physical state of the conductor remains constant, so what are these physical conditions or states? Then physical parameters are length, area of cross section, nature of the material and the temperature. If these of the physical condition if changes, the Ohm's law will not remain as valid as stated. So here resistance, how does it change as per the physical parameters? Then it is said that resistance is directly proportional to the length and inversely proportional to the area of cross section. Here that proportionality sign, again we replace it by constant, and that constant is nothing but the resistivity. So R is equal to rho L by A. So suppose if length of the conductor is 1 meter and area of cross section is 1 meter square, then if these both values are 1 1, then resistance becomes resistivity. That's why resistivity is also called as a specific resistance. Resistivity is also called as a specific resistance, and it can be also defined as resistivity is defined as a resistance when the conductor has length 1 meter and area of cross section of 1 meter square. That resistance is called as a resistivity, and that resistivity is also known as a specific resistance. So from this expression we can derive the unit of resistivity as rho we can write as Ra upon L. So A is measured in meter square, R is in ohm, L in meter. So it becomes ohm meter square upon meter. So meter and meter square in numerator will get cancelled. So the unit of resistivity is ohm meter only. The unit of resistivity is ohm meter. So this was about Ohm's law, resistance and resistivity. I again repeat, Ohm's law can be stated as if the physical state of the conductor remains constant, then potential difference is directly proportional to the current passing through it. Resistance is the ratio of potential difference to the current. It is again the property by which it opposes the electric current. From this relation, you can get the inference that the current and the resistance are inversely proportional. Higher the resistance, lower will be the current. And resistivity. Resistivity is the property by virtue of which it opposes the flow of electric current. And resistance has unit ohm, resistivity has unit ohm meter. Next, we are going to see the combination of resistors.